Here we are looking at the Carolyn floor plan by Robert McNearney. As you walk in, there's some great built-ins for your shoes, your purse, your hat. And then over to the right, you'll see an office area. Lots of great natural light in this office. Let's move over to the bathroom that you'll see on your left. Great room for storage in this bathroom. And these floors are really pretty. What kind of flooring is this?
The wire brushed oak.
Beautiful. Then we've got the kitchen. Good size center island. Custom cabinets. And some pendants. Are these quartz countertops?
Yes, they are quartz.
Right. And also a walk-in pantry. Then off of the kitchen, there's the mud room with some tile flooring. A bench. A fabulous walk-in closet. And this home features a 3-car garage as well. And we've got a dining room area. In the living room. Great built-ins here as well. And some brick around the fireplace. Let's head downstairs. And this home features an unfinished basement. There's so many possibilities down here. I'm sure folks put a bedroom down here, or
Yes.
an entertainment area.
Another bedroom's ready for another bathroom, and a nice big rec room area.
Yeah.
With a walk out to the backyard.
Love the walkout. All right, and let's head upstairs. Go see those bedrooms. And this is a 4-bedroom home, is that right?
Correct.
Great. Good window in the stairway for some natural light. So to the right, as we walk in, we've got the master bedroom, really good sized master bedroom. And also a fabulous walk-in closet. I like the shelving you have in here.
Yep, that is our standard. We do the free sliding wire shelving.
That's great, even a shelf for your shoes. And then this bathroom is just great. Got the tile flooring. I love how wide the drawers are. Nice big shower with some great tile. And then this is great too, there's some additional storage. Then across the way, there's another bedroom. Of course, with the closet. And then we've got the laundry room. I don't know if it's possible to fall in love with a laundry room, but if you can, I am in love with this one. Just huge laundry room. You've got your storage, you've got your sink. And then if we peek over here, there's an area where you can do some folding and just hang some things up. Fabulous laundry room. Here's the upstairs bath. And those nice wide drawers on the vanity. Another bedroom. And then the last bedroom here. So let's head back downstairs and take another look at that main level. It's such a good wide entryway, so if you're doing some entertaining and you have a lot of folks coming over, lots of shoes, there's plenty of space. What a beautiful home.
That was the Carolyn by McNearney Homes. Find out more about McNearney Homes at McNearneyHomes.com. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. What I'll leave you with is I hope everyone watching this has the means to have a beautiful home like this. However, even if you don't, remember, it's not the house that makes the home. It's the people in it. We'll see you next time.